Hello guys, today we're going to be making caramel coffee. So guys, I'm going to be adding this dark roast black coffee. And we have this cup. Yes. So now she gonna open it. Okay, I opened it. Now I'm going to pour it into the cup.
Hold on, we gotta put caramel first.
Oh. Wait. Okay, we forgot to put the caramel, so we're gonna put the caramel. Here's the caramel that we're using.
That's good.
Okay, here's how it looks. Wait, we need ice. Okay, now she's gonna put the ice.
It's gonna be melted down coffee. Like melted down coffee.
That's good. Okay, she put this much.
Okay, guys. I'm going to pour the Alright, that should be good. We need to pour everything.
Okay, she poured about half of the cup. Also, here's a close-up of the coffee that we used. Okay, here's the creamer. It's sweet and creamy. So now I'm gonna open it. Let's test this. See if this part right here. No, we not yet. Open this.
It barely works, so don't even.
It worked.
It barely.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put this on top. It's whipped cream. Oh yes, whipped cream.
Got a mini cup.
Okay, here's the whipped cream that we used. Oh. Okay, now she's gonna put some cinnamon.
Don't want too much because we don't want to end up like the people on TikTok.
Okay, here's the cinnamon that we used. Now I'm gonna put some caramel on top. Perfect.
There you go.
And a Halloween straw. Okay, now we have 3 straws. Now let's try it.
Put on.
Let's try it.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, that's good.
It's the perfect drink for fall, you guys.
And this is the perfect drink for fall. It is the perfect drink for fall.
Thumbs up 10 out of 10. Let's try it again.